the Baggers is back in Gingerman Raceway in South Haven, Michigan for round number 4 of the 2024 season.
Good job, Bill.
We're continuing to watch Sam Garrett chase down Ruben Zaus. He's doing a good job of keeping him at bay so far. We've seen Zaus way further out front than this before so far in the season.
Self-respect, when you out of line, you put yourself in check. They don't hear me, they don't hear me though. Cycles going round and round.
Hey beautiful humans, we are here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, visiting Elevated Grand Rapids, where I have a couple booths with my antique store. We're gonna go check out the Bagger Racing League today, which is also over here in Holland, and I just want to show you guys while I'm popping into my store. So, yeah.
Let's check it out.
Check it out. This is my girl Heather's booth. Super creepy, lots of dead things, lots of dolls. I mean, I'm here for it. Each booth here has a different vibe and it's super cool. A lot of antique stores are just glassware, a lot of knickknacks and stuff that you would find everywhere, but this place is truly special and one of my favorite places to be. And every booth has its own vibe. So, Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. All of the dolls. How about some legs? Does anybody need a leg? This is one of my booths called Espe Vintage here at Elevated Grand Rapids. I have things from my artwork, you know, cute funky glasses, to antiques, clothing, whatever you can find I'm gonna put in here, so check it out. My first booth was a little cute, girly vibey. This one is a little different. Decided to mix it up. There's a critter here on the couch. This is where she hangs out while mom's working. Oh, hello vlog. He's a dancing man. Espe kind of started as a little passion project for me. My parents and I like to go antiquing, like to go to estate sales and travel around. It's kind of something we started up together. So when I'm home, go to different estate sales, travel around and just find cool little knickknacks. Most of them I keep for myself, but whatever I don't ends up here. Cuckoo for you guys. This one's cute and vibey. So this store goes on forever and ever and ever, and it's so freaking cool. We don't have time today. I'm just kind of popping in, fixing my booth, setting stuff out, and then we're headed to the Bagger race. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see a tour of the whole place. You can come along with me to Elevated. If not, we're gonna keep rolling. That's a nice whale tail.
Ready? All right.
So thanks for checking out Elevated with us. We are headed to the Bagger race. My troll. My dread troll. The way you do the things you do. Why am I swinging this? Woo! It's got a little mag. Snacks. I had to get me a Red Bull and some snackies. Snack. Where are we going?
She ain't messing with no broke.
I ain't saying she a gold digger.
She ain't messing with no broke.
Get down, Virgo. Hey, get down. Get him.
What up? Yo! Lead the way, brother.
Battle breaking up out front.
This guy.
Alright, guys. Watch the action all around.
How you doing? Good, man. You?
Good.
Good.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to see you.
Yeah. Rush hour.
Mr. Sam.
Battle of the Baggers is back at Gingerman Raceway in South Haven, Michigan for round number 4 of the 2024 season.
Good job, Bill.
Your hands will be kept all the action on Racer TV. And out the action.
Say we're going to find out who's going to be finishing first here in just a moment as we are getting ready to throw the green flag. We're continuing to watch Sam Garrett chase down Ruben Zaus. He's doing a good job of keeping him at bay so far. We've seen Zaus way further out front than this before so far in the season.
Better, but I couldn't catch up. Ruben was already flying out there, so yeah, it's a good race. Thank you all the fans, and see you tomorrow.
Got your average performance product last year and your trophy. Put your hands together for Sam Gearin.
So, Sam, how did the race go?
Pretty good. Honestly, the salvage is second place with the missing third gear, you know?
Yeah.
Which is the most useful gear on that bike. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm happy that the rider managed to finish the race.
Yeah. And get second still.
And you know what? We still get good points for the championship, and we know what we have to fix for tomorrow. So I truly believe that we have something in the tank for tomorrow to put down a show. But I'm very happy with the turnouts, even with that, because we had a lot of bad luck last year, and this year it's going very well. So like, I'll take second. I'll take second any day over like a DNF or something like that. So. Yeah, so we're gonna have to work a little bit tonight, I guess. We didn't add to yesterday, so yeah, we'll do that, and we'll see what we can do tomorrow.
Yeah. Nice.
Thanks for coming out.
Oh, no problem, dude.
Yeah.
Thanks for having us.
You're part of the family, you know?
Thank you.
You're the best.
Cameron likes me.
Cameron likes you.
He's on one today.
Yeah, he is. You know Twitch's like vlogs where he has to put the subtitles in for Taka?
Yeah?
I'm gonna have to put subtitles in for you, bro.
Just use the automatic subtitle, you'll be fine.
Because she doesn't want.
Peace out.
See ya.
Ollie,
She's like a
deuces.
cat.
Everybody make some noise.
We gotta go home and let the doggos out. So we are gonna close the vlog out here, but thanks for coming with us to see the Bagger Racing thing. See you guys!
Self-respect, when you out of line, you put yourself in check. They don't hear me, they don't hear